Today's topic is photosynthesis in the higher plants. We are beginning with the next chapter, photosynthesis. We know that all animals, including the human beings, they need food, and for this food they depend upon plants. Either directly or indirectly, animals they depend upon plants for their food. Now, the question arises from where the plants they get their food. And we have read in junior classes that plants they are able to prepare their own food by using a physiochemical process in which carbon dioxide and water they combine in the presence of sunlight and the green pigment chlorophyll, and they are able to make some organic compounds. These organic compounds are mainly in the form of carbohydrates, and this is how this process is called photosynthesis. This is how green plants they are able to prepare their own food. Now it means the ultimate source of energy in the universe, it is the solar energy, that is sunlight, and the all the food on the earth it is present because of that sunlight. Now, what are the two important functions of photosynthesis? First of all, photosynthesis is the source of food on the earth, and second, it is a process which releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Let us see, what do we know, what we have read in the earlier classes regarding the photosynthesis. We have done various experiments in class 10th. What are these experiments? That they show that chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, sunlight and the carbon dioxide, they are required for the process of photosynthesis. And we have done second, that starch is formed only in the green leaves. जो हमने we have done an activity जहाँ पे क्या था, we have taken two variegated leaves. Variegated leaves कौन सी हैं? Which have different patches of green color. कहीं पे green color dark है, कहीं light है, कहीं yellow है. तो the dark patches they were circled, और उसको हमने फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए टेस्ट किया था. कैसे कि पहले हमने डार्क पैचेस को हमने सर्कल कर लिया, एंड देन दिस प्लांट इट वाज प्लेस्ड इन डार्क फॉर सम टाइम. अगेन इट वाज व्हेन इट वाज ब्रॉट इन सनलाइट, तो हमने इस लीफ को, विद दिस लीफ वाज प्लक्ड, दिस लीफ देन इट वाज बॉइल्ड इन वाटर to stop all the enzymatic activities. Then it was boiled in a water bath, अल्कोहल में बॉयल किया था टू रिमूव द क्लोरोफिल. और फिर उसके बाद क्या किया था, दिस लीफ वॉज टेकन आउट एंड इट वॉज ट्रीटेड विद आयोडीन. तो ओनली दीज डार्क ग्रीन रीजन्स they showed blue black color. It means starch was present only in this dark circled colors, जहाँ पे dark green color था, यानी कि chlorophyll present था. तो it means what chlorophyll is required for the photosynthesis, and the same is for the sunlight. क्योंकि अंधेरे में जब हमने रखा a plant, if it is placed in dark for few days and then a leaf is plucked, डार्क में रखने से क्या होगा कि जितना स्टार्च है उसमें, जितना फूड स्टोर्ड है वो यूज़ हो जाएगा. और फिर हम उस लीफ को प्लग करके अगर सेम प्रोसीजर से फर्स्ट बॉइलिंग इन वाटर, देन बॉइलिंग इन अल्कोहल इन अ वाटर बाथ, और फिर देन ट्रीटिंग द लीफ विद आयोडीन, तो लीफ प्लेस्ड इन डार्क विल नॉट शो एनी ब्लू ब्लैक कलर, that is the starch is absent, and this shows that photosynthesis has not taken place. To show the presence of carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, what we have done, we have performed another experiment. We had taken a potted plant, and these potted plant, they were placed on a glass plate, and near the one plate we have placed potassium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide. And then we covered these plants with a bell jar, and by placing this arrangement for few hours, we plucked a leaf from both of them. So the same procedure was followed, and it was seen that leaf which was placed near KOH, it will not show the blue black color when treated with iodine, because इसमें क्या था, जितनी भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट थी, दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड was absorbed by potassium hydroxide, and in the absence of carbon dioxide, photosynthesis did not take place. और क्या हुआ कि ये लीफ ने ब्लू ब्लैक कलर शो नहीं किया, whereas the leaf from the plant which was not placed near potassium hydroxide, तो क्या था, that showed the presence of blue black color when it was treated with iodine. This shows that carbon dioxide is also necessary for photosynthesis. This is what do we already know regarding the photosynthesis. Now let us see the early experiments of photosynthesis.